Mission: the Welding Engineering and Management Technical Division commissions itself to promote continuous advancement in career development of its members through exchange of technical information during seminars, conferences, and symposiums, to assist its members obtain their international certification, accreditation, and be globally competitive in the job market, to collaborate events and programs with related government agencies and other mechanical engineering organizations or technical divisions, to provide technical education support to mechanical engineering students through career talks, student conferences, and OJT simulation programs. Vision is the Welding, Engineering, and Management Technical Division. Envisions itself to be the technical information provider of emerging trends, practices, and technologies in its field. It also agrees to establish a strong connection among mechanical engineering students, practitioners, trainers, and industry leaders. Core values: W. Willingness. The pursuit of our activities is driven by our willingness to share our precious time, effort, and expertise for the benefit of our members and the organization as a whole. E. Ethics. We shall, at all times, uphold and observe the code of ethics of our profession. EM. Member-oriented. Our programs and initiatives focus on our members' needs for technical advancement and professional growth. We are open to their suggestions and comments as we value their contributions. T. Teamwork. With our combined expertise, we collaborate with each member towards achieving one goal. D. Determination. Given the challenges, we are determined to deliver assistance and services so that members will have the opportunity to develop their utmost potential and be globally competitive mechanical engineers.